Used Trucks for Sale, Winsted, Connecticut. Haddad of South County is now offering used trucks for sale in the Winsted, Connecticut area. Please call 413-528-2886. No matter what make or model used truck you're looking for, Haddad of South County's experienced sales team will help you find the right vehicle for your needs. Whether it's work or play, Haddad of South County provides its Winsted, Connecticut customers the most dependable used trucks in the region. With a large selection of Chevy, Ford, Dodge, GMC, Toyota, and Nissan trucks, Haddad of South County can offer the best deals on the used truck you've been searching for. Please call Haddad of South County at 413-528-2886. Haddad of South County, the Winsted, Connecticut area's first stop for your next used truck.